Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Today we're diving into the world of art investing with a platform called Masterworks. Masterworks allows you to invest in renowned artworks through share purchases, much like owning a small fraction of a Picasso or a Basquiat. It sounds intriguing, doesn't it? However, before you decide to participate, there are important factors to keep in mind. Let's explore them in detail. The process involved in Masterworks. Masterworks uses their expertise to find artworks with a strong track record of value increase. They buy the artwork and get it officially approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the US. Masterworks then divides the artwork into shares, priced at $20 each. You can buy as many shares as you want, but no more than 10% of the total offering. Masterworks holds the artwork for 3 to 10 years, storing it securely and insuring it. They might even display it in their exclusive New York gallery. During this time, you can either hold onto your shares and hope the artwork increases in value, or try to sell them on Masterworks' secondary market, currently only available to US investors. Once the artwork is sold, Masterworks takes its fees, and the remaining profit is distributed to shareholders. Important things to consider. Long-term investment. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It can take years to see a return on your investment. Liquidity. Selling your shares on the secondary market isn't guaranteed. It's a much less liquid investment compared to stocks or bonds. Fees. There are fees involved, including a 1.5% annual management fee and a 20% commission on profits when the artwork sells. Not guaranteed returns. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. While Masterworks focuses on artists with a history of appreciation, there's always a risk the artwork could lose value. Pros of Masterworks. Invest in art without breaking the bank. Buying a whole Monet might be out of reach, but with Masterworks, you can own a piece of it for a few $100. Expert research and selection. Masterworks does the homework for you, choosing art with a history of appreciating in value. Convenience. Forget about finding storage or dealing with insurance. Masterworks takes care of everything. Fractional ownership. Want to diversify your portfolio with art? Masterworks lets you invest in multiple pieces without a huge upfront cost. Mobile app. Manage your investments and track the art market on the go. Secondary market. US only. If you need to get out of your investment early, you can try selling your shares on the secondary market, although there's no guarantee of buyers. Cons of Masterworks. Long investment horizon. Be prepared to wait 3 to 10 years to see a return on your investment. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Fees. Masterworks charges a 1.5% annual maintenance fee and a 20% commission on profits when the artwork is sold. These fees can eat into your returns. Illiquid investment. While there's a secondary market, it's not guaranteed you'll find a buyer for your shares when you want to sell. Minimum investment. The minimum investment amount varies depending on the artwork, but it could be several $100s. Phone interview required. You need to go through a phone interview with Masterworks before you can invest. Who should consider Masterworks? Art enthusiasts. If you love art and want to invest in something you're passionate about, Masterworks is a cool option. Long-term investors. This is for those who can tie up their money for several years and are comfortable with the risks involved. Those seeking portfolio diversification. Adding alternative assets like art can help spread your risk and potentially boost your returns. Even though Masterworks does the heavy lifting when it comes to picking artwork, it's always a good idea to do your own research. Learn about the artist, the art market in general, and understand the risks involved. Masterworks offers a unique and accessible way to invest in the art world. It has its pros and cons, so carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before taking the plunge. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But hopefully, this video has given you a clearer picture of what Masterworks is all about and whether it might be a good fit for your investment journey. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Trading Critique. Thanks for watching.